from Reke and wapana mimi nafanya example.
Hi, my name is Rispa. I'm the director to them. So far, currently, very hungry. But we are from Reke. We've had a successful day. We had a table read in the morning. We are hoping to do script editing, kidogo, minor changes in the evening. I am also supposed to create a short list and meet some of the actors that I hadn't met. I don't know if this works for Samora, but he's a good guy, so yeah.
I hate videos, like I really do hate videos. We like making them, but so we are in a car ride with the director. We are from doing Reke. Okay. So hi guys. I don't know how to do this. So we are from Reke. We are headed to have lunch. We are hoping that it is good food because man, we are famished. We are dehydrated, but we have done some good work today. At least we've locked down some locations. We have an idea of what's going on, so hopefully we start shooting soon so that this is
we have a mock shoot.
Oh yeah, we have a mock shoot at 4, so yes, we want now to see if these skills we say we have are there or we are just trying you guys. So yeah, wait for Lame, it's coming.
Wow, guys. What? Now where is supporting character? They need to become a main character. Let's do this.
Alright,
Okay.
I'm in.
Yeah. Close the door, Octavius. Fiti sana, wacha nikaribie kukafunga. Yani ilikuwa short bet. Naangalia hivi room kuangalia watu wenye wanaweza story. Yeah. After hapo, wakati before you introduce the story of the mommy, take your drink. Now start thinking. You saw what you meant.
What are you observing exactly? She's getting more beautiful by the minute, by the second. Some magic unfolding in front of your eyes. No. Yes. Just transformation. Yeah.
Reframe. It's not going to reframe. It's wardrobe change.
I take sikiliza, endelea kufanya kitu, maybe something. Then mahali pa kuongea ni mwishowe nimalizie hapa.
So it will be killed by your action with the new. We're ready.
Ready?
Sound set up.
Okay, this area will be free.
So what have we decided? Am I standing up?
You
Am I
make it
just the
you make
building
it
and then I push her and then you see the dress?
Yes.
No? No? Haina shida.
So hi guys, I am ready to be out and about, wearing a hoodie because the weather in Eldoret. Waiting for Bay, he's in the shower. About to be a good day.
Hi, my name is Octave and I play Lame in the movie Lame coming soon. So shoot so far, I think we've done a good job. The stunts have been shot well. We have put the stunts in, all of them in one take, by the way. So yeah, it's a nice thing. On the other hand, there's been like shortcomings because of problems that couldn't be anticipated. So we end up starting shoots late and maybe finishing too late, and with the curfew, so we have to just like work with what we have. Yeah, and I'm looking forward to seeing how the movie will look like when it's over. So yeah, you look for Lem when it comes out.
We are at the worst point of filmmaking now,
What's up?
when things don't seem to be moving.
Okay, what's the problem? What's the problem?
The problem.
You guys are supposed to be setting up lights and you're here.
So utarudi Samora.
No, sound is setting up. I'm just doing.
Sound is really
I'm a behind the scenes guy.
Okay.
I don't know anything about lights. So what's up?
We are preparing to shoot another scene,
All right.
a short scene for montage.
But so far, how's the shoot been?
Not bad. We've had a few interruptions. We hope we'll be able to cover them today or tomorrow.
Okay. And if we don't?
If we don't, we'll be fucked.
Okay. All the best, director.
Thank you.
Peace to camera.
Wait. Update.
Yeah, I'm so fucking tired, man. It's been a long day, and it's 5 p.m. We're here from 7 in the morning, and there's so much more to do. Probably through the night till 11 p.m. So it's an exhilarating experience, but then it's a lot of work. But we are hoping for the best. We're hoping to have a really good product.
Vipi.
Fiti.
Yeah, kunaendaje?
Uko sawa, tunapambana polepole tuone vile kunaenda.
Okay. Naona shoot ikisha poa ama tunaweza change?
Shoot lazima ishe poa.
Okay.
That is the best we can do.
So far nini mzuri kabisa imefanyika kwa set unaweza
sema?
So
far it's a learning experience, hiyo ndio kitu mzuri. You learn kitu mpya kila siku ukiwa kwa set nini. So hiyo ndio kitu poa.
Okay.
At least unajua departments zenye zinahitajika kwa set nini.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fresh. Oh, hello guys.
Hi.
Hi. Your name?
Natasha.
And give us an update. What's up?
Yeah, so we are almost, I think, half or 3/4 on the length shoot. We're exhausted, but it's been amazing. It's been fun. Can't wait for the final product. Yay!
Okay. Biggest challenge so far?
What can I say? I think locations and communications and such, and sleep. But yeah.
You're missing your
We
bed.
have to, of course.
Okay.
But we have to, for the love of the art.
All right. See you later. Brady. Yaji, naitwa nani?
D12.
Naitwa nani, unafanya nini kwa hii set?
Mimi nobody. Huyu ameshika kamera ni nobody, amevaa vinyasa. Hai. Ndio imebulupa. Uko serious?
I'm serious.
Walai.
Yeah.
Girl, naitwa Felix Oye. Mechoka. Sikia joto.
Nimevaa sweta.
Sitaki kutoa sweta.
Jue ni mkonde.
Konda mbaya sana. Konda vibaya.
Nitakukujia vitu umekula. Yo. What's up? Small update?
What update?
Yeah, your name, what you're doing on this set, and your experience so far.
Brasso, sound. No, I'm good.
You good?
The experience has been awesome.
You sure?
Yeah, he is my assistant.
Okay. Maybe he'll talk on your behalf.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your name?
Anson. My name is Anson, assistant sound. Experience been good so far. So good. Yeah. And that's it.
All right.
My name is Charles. My name is Charles. My name is something like Charles. Yeah, and I'm sleepy. You're disturbing me, but I'm sitting in Zuri. Yeah, you wanna out water? Do you out water, man? Check. You know, Takula, and that's us. Next.
Yep. What up?
What's up?
Your name?
Hi, girls. My name is Mbayaji, gentleman too, as well. AKA their diary. AKA Mtoto Joyce. Hi, and I am here as your continuity manager. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Okay. You can get my number on my YouTube channel.
I don't want your number. Habari. Naweza tuambia jina na experience yako imekuaje?
Jina ni Morris Kongongo.
Sauti kidogo.
Jina ni Morris Kongongo. The experience was very good. Nitoe masa?
Yes, it's okay.
Jina ni Morris.
Wait.
Jina ni Morris Kongongo. The experience was very good. I enjoyed every bit of it. Anything else?
I'll see you later. Hi.
Hi, my name is Francisca. I'm acting since I became a grown-up, and I'm discovering I have a talent.
You're just discovering that?
I'm just discovering I have a talent.
Are you having fun?
A lot of it.
What was your role or your character?
Sally, Madam Sally.
And?
I think I love the character. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Looking forward to watch you. Hello.
Hi. Wow.
Your name?
Koi Kitonga. Koi Kitonga. I'm in station.
Has been the experience so far?
Wow, it's been good. It's been good. Just surviving on energy drinks. It's been a wonderful experience, and I can't wait to see it come out.
Which is your favorite scene so far?
Falling. I thought it would be the scene I hated most, but I hated it, but I still loved it. It was natural.
Okay, I'll see you later. All right. Hello.
Oh, hi, Samora.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Yourself?
I am doing fine. Your name?
My name is Wamboi Ochieng, aka Ness, aka Madam. Talk to me.
You're acting as?
I'm acting as Miss Madam Sally's secretary or receptionist. It's a great part. I mean, I have 2 lines and I'm doing them to the best of my abilities. This is the best role ever. Amandla.
Okay, I'll catch you later.
All right.
Hello, madam.
Hi, Sam.
I've seen someone I not talked to.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Your name?
My name is Kageha.
We can't see your face.
Corona.
Oh.
My name is Kageha. Mostly known as I want people to relate with me through my brand, which is Makeup by Rob. I do makeup, weddings, and now I'm doing film, so I'm so excited about it. Yeah.
What's your experience so far?
It's involving. You have to be there, both your mind, spirit, and physically, for you to deliver. But yeah, I love how my casts look, and I'm hoping to do better and better. So see you in more films, including NDIZI TV.
Okay. And so far, who is the hardest person to do makeup on? One who does not become beautiful easily.
Is there someone like that really? Maybe I should try makeup on you. You might be the easiest and the hardest.
All right. What up? No, you black. You'll not make me beautiful.
Hapa ndio tumekwama.
Niaje? Jinako? Fanya department gani? Na so far? Naweza sema experience, ulikuwa na experience gani?
Equipment tunasumbua kiasi. Time.
Nikupeleke kwa catering side. Kuja twende. Kuja twende. We have a request here from the lighting guys. They're hungry.
Oh, sour. Actually, just have been exhausted. Take some milk from that box.
Thank you.
Thank you. And then, so you see, there's a red bag in the new year. Something else. You can just hand them over to everyone. If you may.
See? Ask and it shall be given.
Yeah, in the box. Just hand everyone out.
Vanessa Wambui.
Okay, camera roll.
Move to the next location.
Okay. Is it called midnight?
Hey, hi. Well, I'm not as dark as they think I am, or they, at least. Okay,
but
I
it's
used
midnight, so hence the name. Yeah.
So, oh my God, you look amazing. I mean, I haven't seen you like this before.
Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, focus is on me
But
now.
I can't believe it. Oh my goodness.
No, focus on me. So today's the last day of our set of the shoot, and yeah, I don't know. What should we say?
I mean, I'm looking forward to an interview with Samora here. You know, just about how the set was, the experience.
Yes, exactly.
Amazing.
Yeah, please stay tuned to Liam.
So, how was the experience?
Oh, it was an amazing experience. One of my highlights being on set with Dr. Fred Mbogo. That guy is funny as hell. I mean, it tells stories that you can't imagine exist, and you don't even know if they're true or not, but it's amazing. Anyways, you know, as a set designer, I've learned a few things. One of the biggest lessons, like my takeaway lesson from this set is, as a set designer, you just have to think on your feet always, because you can have a working plan, especially if you haven't visited the locations before. So that was also a mistake that I made before.
But now you've learned.
Yeah, exactly. Not visiting the locations before. And now I've learned. And I'm probably hoping that the next time I get to play such a role, I'll be way much better.
Yes.
And you?
I think I just had fun and noticed the intensity and purpose of every person, like from the set designer to the lights to the sound. Yes, everyone is important and plays a very big role. Yes, and our amazing camera person will take it over.
Who's Aida?
Aida?
First of all, come and say hi to the people and tell them how the experience has been, because we are nearing the end of the movie, the end of the shoot, that is.
Hi, Brasso here. I'm dealing with sound. The experience has been awesome. Met this friend of mine here, our cameraman, stroke DOP, and we're looking forward to wrapping this up today and having a good time, probably at night. Thank you.
We want to have a good time at night.
Yeah.
Drinking, yeah?
Yes. Rap party.
When you leave it like that, it might suggest something to
We will be drinking the whole crew and cast, not me and him.
Yeah, but you happy with the work we have done?
Yeah.
All right. Tash, hi. Say hi to the people.
Hi guys, how are you?
Her name is Natasha.
I'm so sleepy. Mom, say hi.
Let me look for someone else who's idol. There are some ladies doing makeup over here.
Because mtu wa wardrobe anakutengeneza unaingia scene. If something changes when people are at scene, ungesema.
Sasa.
Hey.
Hello.
Ndio kusalimia watu mkiendelea kuchapa kazi.
After makeup.
He's taking a video.
Yes. Behind the scenes, how has been the shoot and
we are so excited. This is one of our last days in the shoot. And so far so good. I've enjoyed doing makeup on this cast. And yeah, this is the main actress. And yeah, we're excited. It's been a learning curve. We are growing and we'll be better as time goes by.
Alright. And you? Hi.
It's been awesome. Hi. I think working with a new crew, a new cast, a new crew it's been an experience, but I've loved it. And I have met very wonderful people. And I think the one thing that I can note about this crew and cast is people are really, I don't want to say hardworking, but very, and not good. Yes, dedicated. And as in to see people really show up at even odd hours when people are totally fatigued and still want to pull, to give the best. I think it's been amazing just working with a team knows what teamwork is. And hopefully we've managed to deliver something that will, be worth the effort that even the crew put in.
And also value for their money, because we are expecting you at the premiere.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
I wish they could do makeup on crew as well.
You could get some.
Nora, do you think you could get some makeup on? For the behind the scenes, we need to look good also.
Money is all I need.
Good in some shades of maroon.
Yeah, there's a noisemaker here. He talks too much, but let's hear what he has to say. Hi.
What's up, my people? What's good? What's popping? Sweepy? It's good?
I told you he talks too much.
I don't talk a lot. He's lying. I don't talk a lot. He does most of the talking.
So how's been the shoot?
Pardon?
How's been the shoot?
Oh, wow, my people. You got no idea what's coming, baby. What's coming, sweat? What's coming is good, man. The shoot has been fine. It's been challenging for an actor. For me, it's been challenging somewhat. But oh wow, I think it's fine. I think because we have our worst critics, I'll have to wait for the finished product. Yes.
All right. No more questions for you. She disappeared on us and I found her again.
Hi. Sorry, logistics. Hi guys. I am so sleepy. I'm so sleepy.
Good.
Hi. So we are 3/4 done with the shoot. Tired, exhausted. I think we might be able to wrap up today. So can't wait for the finished product. Yeah, good things. I'm here. I gotta go, guys, as usual. Can you come for Mama, please?
Some people just arriving. Kobiro.
Haitakuwa na issue.
Sawa. Yaje?
Poa.
Ongelesha watu. Ongelesha watu.
How are you? I'm fine. Hata nitasema nini sasa tu.
Wewe ni nani? Nini imekuwa happen hivyo?
Okay. Mimi naitwa Ben. Tuna shoot project inaitwa Dem. Tunajibamba tu. Kitu ni interesting sana. Make sure utafute watch kama iko Netflix au fully.
Amen.
Tutafika hapo tu. Tumeanza, tutafika. Haya poa.
So far shoot imekuaje?
Shoot so far ni very nice. Guys, sikuwa najua watu wanaweza kuwa professional hivi Eldoret. Local. Tuko sawa. Shoot ni poa sana. Sawa.
Fresh.
Poa.
Salimia watu.
Hi, good people. We're almost wrapping this thing, and man, don't look at my nails, by the way. It's been a rough one.
I'm not done with you.
Why? What do you want from me?
There has been the shoot.
I've said it was a rough one.
No, and what does that mean?
It was a rough one. Of course, I can't get into details, but we are pulling through. So tukimaliza, now we can talk properly about these things of how was the shoot.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you.
Okay.
Hebu kula haraka kabla nikuachie mbio. Plastiki kucheleza.
Do you really think like Sally notices?
Lakini ni kazi ya kulengwa. Thank you very much. But one thing is for sure, ningekuwa ni give up kama sio kunipeleka. Kazi ya kulengwa ni kazi bora to your office.
Who are you and what are you doing on this set?
My name is Joe Macento and I'm the waiter. Yo, Bazoo, big man. We're about to do this thing like you gotta be ready, it's big, it's Netflix. Yo.
See you on Netflix. My subscription is ready.
Okay.
Right.
Una lines.
What you do?
Usikue mbogo. Samani.
Bana hii si chai. Kitu nalipia.
Yes, we're ready for take.
Okay, let's get ready to roll. If you're not needed on set, please clear. Somebody lock the door.
What?
Let's get ready to roll. Silence on set. Silence on set. Okay, sound.
Rolling. The people with that light.
Even before.
Move out.
Camera.
Camera is always rolling.
Okay, mark it.
I can choose not to come in.
So you're saying me right now? Was this all a joke to you?
Okay, Tasha, how could it be a joke that I've been with you this whole time?
Because you're pulling out when I need you the most.
This is your dream.
Because surely what you do is shitty as fuck.
Putting me in an unfair position.
Chagua kama utakuja mwisho. It's not the first day you're going to be missing here.
Mwenye anakushika vizuri. By the time unatoka hapo umesahau mashida.
By the
huku nje bana unatembea wiki mzima. Hakuna pesa anakusalimia. Kusmailia.
Here comes the lead actress.
Action.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, everybody. So now, in the vibe.
Why is it always a YouTube channel? No, welcome to my Facebook page. Even Facebook has videos.
Hi guys, welcome to Samora's Facebook page. My name is Mbayaji, aka Mtoto wa Jace, aka the OD, aka Landlord of State House, aka Mapunyero. So right now, we're in the lunch. It's amazing shooting this film. Welcome.
Nilikwambia urekodi wale extras wa jana alafu leo ukaleta wengine. Why?
We did not have that conversation with me.
It was with him. It was with him. I remember I was there.
Yes,
oh.
Yes, sir.
Nilikwambia urekodi extras jana. Alafu sijaona hata mmoja mwenye alikuwa hapa jana.
Sidiawa. 1, 2.
Really? Are they the same?
Are they the same?
Yeah.
See, we had around 8 extras.
Yeah, but sasa niliambiwa nisilete wote.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Yeah,
I
you
didn't know
should.
that.
Yeah, you should consult first.
Okay,
before
let me
you
consult
ambush
you
me.
first.
Yeah.
The worst acting I've ever seen.
C27.
Hiyo unakumbuka kama ni hiyo Suzanne Black.
Camera rolling.
Sound.
Sound rolling.
Chill.
Okay.
Wait on talent.
Waiting on talent. This part is out. Get out. One was Yamaze. My God.
Daniel, Tasha. Tasha, let's start the line with her seated because you are worried about her walking in, right?
Yeah.
So let's start with you saying, Aki Ali, hii project itamaliza. Haya, let's do this roll sound.
This seems to go. Unakaa tu umeblush hata.
Yeah.
What is it made of?
Cappuccino is made of
Yes?
water.
Babs, bring a stand. Sister, yeah, Babs.
Niaje? Wasongeane. Wapigane kisu moja moto.
Alafu unaweza mtengeneza hata chai.
What? Ni 1450. Focus. Kitu nani ameko?
It's having an amazing time, and today I have a very special guest, who is our main actress in the film Blade. So, Koi, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Koi. I speak Tasha.
Main actress, film Blade. So, stay tuned. Premiering on the 11th of December and Cinema.
Buda. Ingia mse. Ingia nikupe kazi hapa.
Tasha, this is not really my place.
This is a new beginning.
Only for you to appear like us. Achokora.
Story yote ilikuwa dem.
How do you want me to help you?
Nisaidie kwa strategize.
Nikupate Nairobi.
Imagine amekama up na project yenye inaenda kusaidia agriculture. Lakini shetani ni nani buda?
A girl is really happy. Thank you.
Oh, and a boy is too.
Help me understand your thought process. Mse, nikutafutie chakula, nikupikie, nikutafunie, alafu unashindwa kumeza. Kwani hamna chemistry? Hampo isi.
Kali aliniita mwenyewe. Akaniambia ya kwamba you want there, kept her waiting for a long time.
How do you want me to help you? Nisaidie kwa strategize.
Nikupate Nairobi.